The strategy that I'm about to show you gains 71% profit over 100 trades, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss any of the settings we're going to change, and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the video. Let's get straight into it. We're on TradingView.com, and the first indicator we're going to add for this strategy, go to indicators. I'd like to quickly tell you about Trader Edge. Trader Edge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes, and so much more. Thousands of traders are using Trader Edge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. Trader Edge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, Trader Edge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now, and back to the video. Type in range filter, and it's this first one, range filter buy and sell 5 minute. For the settings, I have unticked every single thing besides the buy signal and the sell signal. This removes a lot of the noise and it makes the chart a lot cleaner. We're going to be using this for our signal indicator, so when it says buy, we take a buy, and when it takes a sell, we take a sell. It is important to note that you wait until that candle closes that the indicator paints on to avoid repaints. The second indicator we're going to add is the super trend. You may have used this before, but we're going to change some of the settings, so don't miss that. In the style, the plot is unticked, and on the inputs, the ATR length is 20, the factor is 3. We're trading on the 5-minute chart, but I've changed the time frame to the 15-minute chart. It's always safer to follow the trend of the higher charts. The last indicator we're going to use is an EMA. I've changed the colour to white, thickness 2, and on inputs the EMA length is 50. So there's 3 conditions that have to be met to enter any trade. For the buy, we have to make sure that the super trend lines are green on the background. We may not have entered on this trade because it was still red in the previous candles. We had a sell here that we would have avoided because the background was green, and then this buy here we could have taken. The second thing we need to make sure is that we have a buy indicator paint. It has to be locked in. This is when that candle closes, so we could enter on this following candle. For this method, we're using the 50 EMA as our stop loss line. So for the 50 EMA, we're going to be putting the stop loss at the point where the indicator paints. So for example, for this buy, even though we didn't enter on this candle, we entered on the following one. We're going to put the stop loss where the EMA is on that candle. And then we're targeting 1.5 times the risk. See, that trade would have hit. If we go up a little bit further, we can see a sell signal painted, but that wasn't valid because we were still in an uptrend. And then we had another buy signal paint here. So when this candle closes, we could have entered on the start of the following candle, put our stop loss to the EMA, and then we're targeting 1.5 times the risk again. And there we go, that trade would have hit again. The exact opposite for a sell, we want the super trend to be red on the background here, shown with these lines. Then we want to wait for the sell indicator to paint and be locked in by that candle close. So we'd entered our trade on the start of this candle, put our stop loss to the 50 EMA or just past it, and then we're targeting 1.5 times the risk. And that trade would hit as well. So I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times using Trader Edge with a take profit of 1.5 and a stop loss of 1%. So I've now backtested this strategy 100 times using the Trader Edge with an initial account balance of $5,000. That's the smallest funded account you can get, and we had a win rate of 62% with an overall growth of 71%. 62 wins and 38 losses, and we took the account from $5,000 to $8,676 with a very healthy growth. Did have a couple of consolidation zones in here. Overall, there was a very good growth with a profit factor of 2.45. If you do have any recommendations for other strategies or your own personal strategy that you'd like me to test, please leave it in the comments down below and I'll be sure to check it out. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you again to Trader Edge for sponsoring the video.